my beautiful people, you guys are welcome to my building. This is Mama Lanti Queen TV, guys. Okay, you guys are welcome. Please, if you are new in this channel, if you haven't subscribed, give it a try and subscribe. Okay, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and God will bless you for doing that. My returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Okay, in today's video we are going to be preparing tilapia fish. As you can see, my tilapia fish is washed and cut. Okay, I have onion, red bell pepper, ginger, yes, fresh ginger, garlic and 3 crushed bonnet pepper with spring onion. Okay, and we're going to be blending those veggies together. As you can see, I watch this fish with lemon. Yes, I love washing my fish with lemon. Tilapia fish, that is what we are going to be preparing. Okay, I have my plantain there. Happy Xmas to you guys and happy new year in advance. Okay, as you can see, my ingredients is there. Those ingredients you are seeing, I will be using it to marinate the fish. Okay, I have garlic, ginger, black pepper, curry powder, thyme, and fish seasoning. Yeah, those are my seasoning. Okay, what I will do, just take your kitchen paper and make sure you dry the fish. Okay, that is what I'm doing. Just drying the fish with my paper. Yeah, with my kitchen paper. Okay, dry the fish very well and make sure there's no water in the fish. Please guys, like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to Mama Lanti Queen TV, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe. Okay, it costs you nothing. It's for you to it's for your support. Okay, try to support me in this channel. As you can see, I'm using the ingredient I mixed together. Yeah, those ingredients I showed you earlier: garlic, ginger, fish seasoning. I'm just using it to rub the fish. Okay, I just use one spoon of the seasoning, thyme, curry. Okay, use it to rub all the fish all over. Like as you can see, the fish I just cut it. I just give it a mark so that the ingredients will marinate all over the fish. Okay, so that the ingredient will go into the fish direct. That is the reason why I cut the fish. I give it a mark. Okay, as you can see, I'm just using the paper, plastic wrap to wrap the fish. Okay, I will be putting it inside the fish. You can do it overnight, but just leave it inside the fish for like 2 hours plus. Okay, yeah, I'm using it to wrap the fish, wrap it and put it inside the fish so that the ingredients you rub on the fish, they will marry the fish, you know. Allow them to marry the fish. Okay, let the ingredient marry the fish, like let them marry each other. Okay, so as you can see, our tilapia fish is going to the fridge and rests. Yes, it's going to rest inside there for 2 hours plus. Okay, you can leave it overnight. As you can see, I have my bell pepper, onion, crushed bonnet pepper, and my spring onion. I'm going to be blending all those veggies together. Okay, the veggies I show you guys earlier, that is what I'm blending. As you can see, I'm done blending the veggies. Okay, I just divide it. You know, the first one I will be using it for plantain. Okay, and the second one I will just fry it a little bit and use it to rub the fish. After the fish have marinated for like 2 hours, I will use the last one to rub it. Okay, you can see I'm going to be frying the onion, ginger, garlic, bell pepper. Okay, and the spring onion. Yeah, I blended all of that together. I'm just going to stir it for like for like 5 to 6 seconds, okay, or thereabout, okay. And add your, at this time you can add any seasoning of your choice, okay, because I'm going to be using it to rub the fish. Yeah, I'm going to be using it to rub the fish. You know, we use seasoning to rub the fish earlier, okay. What I'm adding now, I just add black pepper, yeah, add curry, okay, and add 1 cube of naan, yeah, seasoning cube, that is what I use, seasoning cube, chicken seasoning cube, naan. I just use 1 part to, you know, because we already use some seasoning to rub the fish. You add a little bit of salt, okay, for taste. Now I'm done stir frying the sauce for the fish. Yeah, step it outside and let it cool down, okay. As you can see, I'm going to be frying the plenty. Add onion, add oil, okay, any oil of your choice. So the plantain, just slice it big or small, any size you want, okay, is good. You can slice it bigger, you can slice it small, just slice. As you can see, I'm slicing the plantain smaller pieces, okay. You can slice it big or less depending on how you want it, okay. So when I'm done, I will just fry the plantain. Alright, as you can see, the plantain, and I add onion to the plantain, yeah, for flavor. I love onion, like I love onion, okay. I just add a little piece of onion to the plantain. As you can see, I'm frying the sauce we're going to use to eat the plantain, okay. I just add my ingredient, add your ingredient, okay. Then, okay, as you can see, I'm going to use the sauce to marinate the fish again, okay. I've already marinated for like 30 minutes. Now it's going to the oven to go and rest in the oven. On your oven, I've already preheated my oven, okay. Now, oh my gosh, look at the fish. Can you see that? Can you see that? So delicious, so yummy. Please subscribe, okay, like and share to your family and friends. The fish looks so yummy, and the sauce, like the sauce was so yummy. Oh my god, it was so yummy. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys. Until I come your way next time. This is Mama Lanti Queen TV. Bye bye.